follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. If you want to set up your product using a mobile device, follow the instructions here. The Epson Smart Panel app will help you set up your product and connect it to your wireless network. If you want to set up your product using a computer, continue with the steps on your Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. Download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, review the information, click the checkbox to confirm, and click Next to install the software. This can take several minutes. Select the wireless network option and click Next. If the installer is able to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Click Next. Then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions. The installer will automatically connect the product to your network, and your setup is now complete. If the installer is unable to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Select this option and click Next. Click Next. When you see this screen, look at your printer's control panel. Press the Home button. Press the up arrow button and the right arrow button to select the network icon. Then press OK. Press OK to select Wi-Fi. Press OK to select Start Setup. Then press OK again to select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Press the up or down arrow button to select your network's name. Then press OK. Press OK again to select the Enter Password field. Next, enter your wireless password. Press the arrow buttons to highlight a character. Then press OK to select it. If your password contains upper or lowercase letters, be sure to enter them in the correct case. Select this icon to enter uppercase letters. Select this icon to enter numbers or symbols. Select this icon to enter a space. Select this icon to delete characters. When you're done entering your password, select OK. When you see this screen, press the down arrow button to select Start Setup, then press OK. Your printer is connected to your wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to complete wireless setup. You are now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another computer, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, select your printer from the list and click Next. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to complete wireless setup. You can repeat this process for additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computers.